In a sunlit living room, a mischievous cat bats at a foil ball, while a fluffy dog stacks squeaky toys like a tiny cashier. A bright parrot heckles from a perch, mimicking the phone ring and surprising the dog with a perfectly timed cheeky squawk. Nearby, two playful monkeys juggle plastic cups and race a cheese puff across a mini obstacle course. The cat hijacks the course, chasing the cup while the parrot orders a victory snack from the toy register. Laughter erupts as the animals bow to their audience, tails wagging, wings fluttering, and whiskers twitching in goofy harmony.